There are many products available to choose tiny home, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best tiny home from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Mz-Coz Luxury 2-Story Prefabricated Villa Tiny Home. What sets this 400-square-foot tiny home villa apart from others is its design. It includes floor-to-ceiling windows on both floors, which flood the house with ample light and provide a gorgeous view of the surrounding area. Plus, this residence has a spacious front porch and an upstairs terrace with its own staircase entrance, where you can entertain, relax, and more. The first floor has a living room, a kitchen with built-in cabinets, and a full bathroom. The second story has 2 bedrooms, a bathroom, and a second living area. The home is constructed with durable materials, including stainless steel, which is designed to withstand the elements. Most importantly, it offers functionality and sustainability, and can easily be transported. Number 2. Nomadnest Mountain-Style Modular RV Tiny Home. This 3-bedroom prefabricated tiny home is an excellent option for hikers, campers, and outdoor enthusiasts, since the whole thing is on wheels, and it can go pretty much anywhere once it's hitched up to a car. The abundance of glass windows maximizes the view and fills the space with natural light, giving it an airy and spacious feel. The kitchen is complete with an electric stove, built-in cabinets, and enough counter space for cooking and dining. This tiny house is fully customizable for your comfort and convenience, and it comes furnished. The brand does state that you will need a crane to move the RV hybrid when it is delivered. Number 3. Generic Prefabricated Tiny Home Luxury Studio. This modern-style tiny home studio may be small in square footage, but it comes with plenty of notable amenities. The kitchen has built-in cabinets and an induction cooktop, while the living room, which doubles as the sleeping area, has ample space for a sofa, coffee table, and a queen-size bed. While most tiny home bathrooms just offer the bare essentials, this one includes a digital shower, an integrated sink, non-slip floor tiles, and an aluminum glass door. Plus, the home's front patio has more than enough space for you to create a relaxing oasis. Whether you're looking for a home office, an Airbnb, or a permanent residence, there's no denying that these tiny homes are a great deal. Number 4. S.E.Q Prefabricated Expandable Container Tiny Home. S.E.Q 20FT. Expandable design with enough space for a family. External dimensions: 228 Albanian Lex W 228 hours 86 inches. The thoughtfully designed layout includes 2 bedrooms, 1 living room, 1 fully equipped kitchen area, 1 separate wet and dry bathroom. More living area than standard foldable houses. Standard large windows for ample natural lighting. All doors with locks. 1 smaller window for shower room, 1 glass entry door to the bathroom. Fully equipped bathroom features cabinets, water heater, toilet, sink, mirror, private shower area. Kitchen with cabinets taps hot and cold pipeline sink. Double glazed UPVC sliding window and security doors made of broken bridge aluminum. Number 5. Customizable, expandable prefab tiny home for adults. Planning a camping trip or in need of temporary accommodation? Our foldable houses offer a comfortable solution. The tiny home features a foldable prefab luxury villa design, allowing you to tailor your living space to meet your personal preferences and lifestyle needs, ensuring a unique and stylish environment. Engineered for efficiency, this portable container house can be quickly assembled, providing a robust and long-lasting housing solution that effortlessly accommodates both individuals and families. Equipped with essential features such as a lockable door, outdoor storage, restroom, and cabinets, this tiny home offers both functionality and comfort, making everyday living easy and enjoyable. Our commitment to quality extends beyond the sale. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make you life much more easier.